So word on the street is that you guys are looking for some breakfast recipes. Well, today I have 3 for you guys. They are quick, they are easy, and there's no cooking needed. Well, all right, here we go. So recipe number 1. Recipe number 1 is gonna be some overnight oats. Now these are super simple to make, and there is literally 1,000 different combinations that you can come up with. So today I'm gonna be using these ingredients here. We have some cashew milk. I mean, you can use almond milk, you can use regular milk, whatever is your preference. I'm gonna be using cashew. We have some rolled oats. We have cacao powder, maple syrup, peanut butter, salt, and a banana. Okay, here we go. Overnight oats. 3/4 cup of oats. We have a dash of salt, 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. We're gonna add 3/4 cup of our milk of choice. We're gonna stir that up real good. Then we're gonna take half of a banana, slice it up. Then we're going to take our mason jar and place the bananas inside. And then we're gonna take 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, top it off nicely. Then this just simply goes into the fridge overnight. And that's why they call it overnight oats. And then the next day, here we go, the masterpiece. So it is a really nice consistency and it's very, very enjoyable. So there you have it, guys. Overnight oats. Let me know what you think and enjoy. All right, so for recipe number 2, we're gonna be making a smoothie. Now, again, this is super simple, very easy, very quick. It takes about 5 minutes. You can either make this smoothie the night before or you can make it fresh in the morning, which I prefer. So first off, you're gonna need a type of milk. Again, I'm using cashew milk. You can use whole milk, you can use almond milk, but if you wanted to save calories, go with the cashew milk or the almond milk. It's only like 25 calories or 30 calories. Next up, you need a high quality protein. So I'm using Vegan Power Pro, and not only is it a delicious vegan protein, it does have a superfood complex in it, which has vitamins, minerals, as well as digestive enzymes, and it is really amazing. Next up, you're gonna need some strawberries. We have some blueberries. We're gonna need a dash of salt because salt makes everything better. We're gonna use some spinach, which you don't really even taste. Peanut butter, because peanut butter goes good with everything. And almighty oats. All right, smoothie time, here we go. So we're gonna need 2 handfuls of spinach, pack it down in your blender, 1 cup of frozen strawberries, 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 1.5 scoops of Vegan Power Pro chocolate flavor, a dash of salt, half a cup of oats, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. Then we're gonna add 2 cups of our milk, and now it's time to blend. Oh yeah. So as you guys saw, it only took a couple minutes to prepare. Just had to weigh and measure a few things. Again, you can make this the night prior and then have it for the morning, or you can just simply whip it together in the morning, put it in a cup, and head out the door. Alrighty guys, so the last and final recipe here, we do have probably the easiest one to make and probably the best tasting. Now, I really enjoy this little meal here. So I'm gonna be using the Fage Total Greek yogurt. I typically use this yogurt here since I don't do dairy, but Lauda does consume the Fage yogurt. That's why we have it here. So I'm gonna be making this for her. But yeah, this coconut milk yogurt, it's not too bad, but it's not like the Fage yogurt. So this is kind of more watery, and this is more of a thicker, creamier consistency. So we're doing it with the Fage today. So next up, we're gonna use the Bare Naked granola.
Plus, it has more protein.
Yes, that is a great point. Plus the Total Fage has more protein than the coconut milk, because the coconut milk one is only 1 gram. The Fage has 18 grams per serving. And then we're gonna have some blueberries. So, all right, let's whip this one together. Okay, so we're gonna need 1 cup of frozen blueberries. Next, we're gonna add 1 cup of the Fage Greek yogurt. So I'm just using a spoon to get it into the mason jar. And then we're gonna use 3/4 cup of the Bare Naked cacao and cashew butter granola. And seriously, this granola is amazing. It's probably my favorite granola out there. And here you have it, guys. It's another really simple and easy recipe, but still very delicious. Well, alrighty guys, there you have it. There is 3 quick and easy recipes that require no cooking whatsoever. And as you guys saw, very simple to put together. And I didn't even use the scale. Normally I use a scale. I just used measuring cups to make it even that much more simple. And yeah, also These are very versatile. You can change up the fruits, you can change up the amounts, if you need more carbs, if you need less, if you need more protein, if you need more fats. So you can kind of play with the recipe itself, but that is just kind of a baseline recipe for each of the meals. So I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you do have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. And if you have any other suggestions for video topics that you want me to touch on, I can easily create that for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.